configuration changes in my Gaia system. In Gaia. Good morning, and today I want to do a few configuration changes in my Gaia system. In Gaia, and for that I want to go to the resources and make a copy of that, because we need to change out the textures and add a few trees and game objects and stuff like that. And for that, let's just duplicate that. And name this one. What do we name it? Let's name it RTP, because I want to have the same textures as I'm using for RTP. So for the desert, we are using, let's call this sand. And here we are using the RTP textures. And that sand here. Oh, damn it, I didn't lock the config here, data. Okay, now it's locked, so we can navigate to the sand here, and that's just move the sand texture there, and that there. And the next is our grass, I think. Yeah, next is grass. And here we are using the let's check what we're using here. I think it's the forest floor. Environment. Let's create a new inspector. Somewhere. Okay. And for this we are using the forest floor. So let's throw that in here, and the normal for that. And the spawn criteria and extensions, they stay the same. And this is the dirt texture, and there we are using the rocky dirt, I think. Oh no, it's ground, okay. Normal. And we only use 4, so we can delete the other 2 here. And this is rock. And for that we are using the grassy cliff, I think. Yeah. Okay, that's the first change I wanted to make. And now we need to tell Gaia to use these resources instead of the one we are using before. So they're going to use these, and here we're going to also use the ones I will configure correctly in this file. So the first thing we need to do is just I didn't do that yesterday, so I need to recreate the textures because we changed the area around here and textures are not correct. So let's run that. Oh, hello, good morning. Didn't see you there. And let's run the textures. Let's go to this inspector here and reset that. And spawn it in. It's just doing a moment processing all the terrain because it goes by point and checks what kind of texture is needed for the specific height and stuff like that. So it's taking a moment. In the meantime, can't do much, I think, because we cannot change anything on here because it's working with it at the moment. So let's jump over here and have a look what we need to work on at some point. Okay, I'm working. The cavern's done. Looks okay. Yeah, so far this looks good. So let's anything else I can think of to do while this is running? Not really at the moment. So we'll just have to wait. something over here, but not sure what it was. It's running through and creating different spots of texture on the terrain. Oh, I just saw something. At some point I need to figure out how to work with this thing, but so far as I know there's no menu here. Yeah, it's just this. Resources. And that's nearly done. And the only area where we should see changes is around here. The rest should stay the same. Yeah, and here we go. Proper textures, proper blending there. Okay, the next thing we need to figure out is what kind of game objects we want to have in there and if we need to add some or not.